We have our special guest today, Denise, so thank you for being here. And pretty soon, one of us will be asleep and wake up with a whole new smile. I think that'll be you.
I'm excited.
Great. So, how'd you happen to find us?
Through Facebook.
Okay, great. And what attracted you? Sometimes it's the knowledge, experience, before and afters. What made you feel to come on in?
Oh, I just read a couple places and I'm just comfortable with you.
Great.
And
my team, of course.
Yep.
Good. So what are we going to be doing for you today?
We're going to get rid of my ugly teeth on the top and give me a new smile.
Awesome. So how long have you been struggling with your ugly teeth on top?
Probably a couple of years. One by one they've been coming out due to infections and bad root canals and stuff like that. So it just got to the point I wore the prosthetic for a while.
The partial.
Yeah, partial.
Yeah.
And it just keeps flopping off and food gets caught under the...
That's a
and
problem.
I have to take it out and off when I eat.
Yeah.
It's I just got tired of it.
So what are some of the things you're looking most forward to?
Just having a nice smile and trying to be a little bit healthier.
Awesome.
Looking and
great.
Confidence.
So if someone's out there wondering and they're just teeter-tottering, should I or shouldn't I, what advice would you give them?
I would say give it a try.
Awesome.
I've read a lot of reviews and everyone has said they would do it again.
Awesome. So we're really looking forward to this. We're happy you're here.
Thank you.
And pretty soon we're going to get started.
Okay.
Awesome.